package amounting to 29,184,000 Uganda shillings. The RDC the onward transmission to the beneficiary, who is Mr. Tasike Aaron, on this evening, 5th of June 2025. Thank you.
We Monga, Wanyala Nabi, Wali the Papa President Museveni, Wanyala Kufu Kobole Fefe, Babanduwe, Atemai RDC, Sabila Tikabi, Menyemana, Uyete Bandubaka. So, Urupia Mele, Intebe, SFC, I mean, Pomo Studio, and that was it. Tingrabari, Romod, you must come.
This is yet another important moment where we experience the commitment of Uganda People's Defense Forces to its roles as a people's force, especially the aspect of fostering harmony and understanding with the civilian population and local authorities. I thank the members of the District Security Committee who endeavored to inform us or inform government through the established channels about that unfortunate incident that happened on the 17th. In the same spirit, I commend Mr. Tasike and his family for his patience and perseverance throughout that time, from the time when the incident happened, following the legitimate channels of handling issues, until today when we come to bring a smile to his face with the due compensation. We have managed to carry with us the compensation to Mr. Tasike that is sufficient enough to put this house into a much more better shape than it was in the
Manafwa is as happy as you see them. They will show you, even in the box they will show you, and that is them. So I want to take this opportunity to welcome you. When you come like this, we are so humbled, and I will not take a long time. Leadership ya no mwanyala kulonda, mwanyala kumanya muti akaba mayinga yule akolakina Tasike wanyala kuba patient nga kwafunire buzibu ngezere nga kwamubolere nga security committee amba asatike kunakolada nenga kwikaranga security committee kwa wandikira basali befi Kampala senga representative of president kwa muwandikira ibaruwa balo batabona kwira minyangikire ya nda eringolobe kwa mire ibale be bakuchazire bulayi kwa cyara balo bati mugamba nafa kukweza kukola kina.
As administration of this LC1, we welcome you warmly. Visitors, at times one problem is a blessing in disguise. That today, once a problem, you are here, some of you couldn't have seen you, but it is a blessing in disguise.